screw. We put the stains down, both tires up, other side is also same. We're gonna push the pin, same upper side, same down side. Okay. Until it will get free, we must need to push it back. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna take out the other one. Then we need to open this screw from behind, this one. Now after open this screw, now we're gonna open its screw. Okay, now our clipper is free, and then this is here is our brake pads. Another one, we're gonna take the other side. The brake pad is all finished. All now we replace the new one. Before we fix, we must need to do the cleaning here. This all pistons, clipper down, upper side. Our new brake pads, this one our new brake pads, this one the old one. Same process, we're gonna fix it. Okay, now the other side. Now the other side one also fixed. Same process, gonna put the pin back, clipper back, put the interior. This must be free. Here is this one now. Yes, and then tighten screw back, the pin again, back to the brake pads. Okay, and then put your torque, must be tightened with the ratchet. Our fix back our tire. If you want to disconnect the brake sensor, just pull it here. Sometimes must be tightened and careful. Okay, here is the brake sensor. Yeah, guys, tighten the screw, everything is clear. Okay, so here is the process, same other things.